guys, it's me, Nate again, and this is a response video to the supposedly picking your lock with a bobby pin and so-called tension wrench. Well, he said to insert tension wrench like so. Push till the barrel moves a little. Take your bobby pin and move it up and down, all the way at the back. And he said, and the thing will turn automatically. Well, as you can see, it does not work. I'll do it again. Put it in like that. The barrel moves. Put it all the way at the back, bobby pin. Moving up and down in all directions. Moving it up and down once more. And it does not go all the way around, it just bends. This does not work. If you want to comment on how or respond to this video, just write in the comments what your video is called if you want to respond to it. In my opinion, it does not work. So, see you guys.